Hello, 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 and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, guess what? I wholeheartedly welcome you to Vlogmas Day 19. Today, I had so much fun. My sister hosted a cyber, virtual, Zoom, Google, Link, FaceTime, whatever time it was. She hosted a virtual Christmas cookie swap. We had so much fun. What that is where we all made cookies, Christmas cookies, holiday cookies, just cookies, 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 cookies. And what we did was we presented them to the audience. And there were categories, we had judges, and there were prizes given away. So we had a category for surprise cookie. And I have to tell you, the surprise cookie was really a surprise. It was cute. My sister's daughter, she's a little young girl, and she was helping her with decorating and mixing up the batter and all that stuff. And she ended up, her dad had gotten up earlier this morning, and made a cookie and didn't tell my sister. So just when she's putting her cookies together to say, oh, look at my red velvet and this cookie and that cookie. And he's like, oh, that's nice. He's like, well, here's baby girl's cookie. So he gave her, she says, wait a minute. She wasn't in, she said, well, I guess she's in the contest now. He made the most adorable cookie, guys. And I have a picture of that at the end of the video. So that was a great one. And then we had most festive, and then of course most healthy cookie. You guys know who got that one? Yes, I got the most healthy cookie. And it was again, it was a lot of fun. So I'm going through all of this to tell you guys, although we're going through this situation with Coco, as I call it, Coco is driving everybody cuckoo for Cocoa Puffs. And we're not able to get with our family traditionally as we have done in the past, where we can love on them, hug on them, laugh and talk, and see Uncle so-and-so and Auntie so-and-so, baby girl this, baby boy this, da-da-da-da. And we can't do it because of Coco. We have to do what's right to keep ourselves protected and protect others. Just be safe out there. So I say all this to let you know that we could do things, and again, it's not the same as it's been in the past, but we got to make it do what it do. And we got to make sure that we continue to care for each other and do the right thing. There are many ways that we could do things that keep us happy and healthy and just part of life. So one thing I want to bring up is the elderly, or those that are alone and don't have anybody with them. I recommend that you pick up the phone, especially during the holidays. Suicide rate, things like that is so high, and you never know what a simple smile, a simple hello, a simple card would do for someone. So make sure you pick up the phone, call them, say hello, how you doing, talk to them for a few minutes, and just let them know that they are loved. You could also, of course, do like we did with the Zoom or the virtual meetings, game nights and things like that. That's a lot of fun. And here's a good one. I don't know, some people did drive-by graduations and things like that. Do a drive-by. Drive by the person's house and just call them on the phone and say, hey, I know you don't have the internet, or you're not very savvy with the internet functions, but I'm driving by your house. Can you just peep out the window? And when they peep out the window, just, wave to them, give them love, tell them hi, see how they're doing, and, drop them off a card or something just to let them know that they're loved. Anyway, we swapped the recipes, which was fun. So we got to tell about our cookie and what motivated us to buy, to make the cookie. It had to be a cookie that we made from scratch. There were rules to it, so it was a lot of fun. So guys, try that. I am going to attempt to try to do this quite often on my YouTube channel as well. I am trying to be more attentive to my channel, Eat to Live Strong. So I have the video of the cookie that I made. I made two cookies today. I made the quinoa cookie and I made the lemonade cookie. They were both tasty. But of course, the quinoa cookie is the most healthiest cookie, and of course, I won the award for the healthy cookie. And I am going to put that video out, and I hope you guys enjoy that video. But I'm leaning towards doing it probably at the beginning of the year, because that's when a lot of people are out there doing their New Year resolution and things like that. Guys, people do the New Year resolution, they stick with it for a month, and then they give up. Don't give up. If you make a mistake one day, brush yourself off, try it again the next day. I had a video about that. It is linked up there. Just check the video out. It was tips on how to maintain your weight during the holidays. So I am going to be more attentive to my channel with things that is healthy living, and I am going to put the videos out that's going to have they're going to talk about the different, I'm going to have recipes and different meals out there for you guys to try. And I'm trying to do things on a budget for everybody too, because I know it's expensive. I know it's expensive as heck when I became vegan. So I'm not motivating or trying to tell people to go vegan. I just want you guys to be healthy. So with all that being said, I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up just to let you know that you are loved, and I thank you so very much for joining me today. You know the spiel. Please make sure that you be careful out there. Be aware of your surroundings. Make sure you wear your face covering, your mask. Make sure you wash your hands, and if you don't have access to a sink, make sure you use the sanitizer, and then keep your social distancing. So we'll do that. Make sure you also donate to the Salvation Army or any nonprofit organization that gives back to the community. I recommend the Salvation Army. They do a lot for the community. That video is linked up above as well. So on all of those things, thank you so very much for joining me today. You guys are wonderful. God bless you guys. Just have fun. We're almost to Christmas, guys. Have fun. Just keep in mind that there are things that we can do that's going to be, it won't be the same. It's not going to be the same because of Coco. But we can do things that make it do what it do, guys. So with that being said, make sure you guys stay blessed, be safe, have fun, like, comment, share, because sharing is caring. And then if you are not part of my gang here on Eat to Live Strong, make sure you go down below, subscribe to the channel, and then go right next door and click that notification bell so you can be notified when my videos are uploaded. Thank you guys again for joining me. Love you long time. See you next time. God bless you. Bye-bye now.